Have you ever noticed how cats behave in the sun? They love the sun. They are the best when they are in sunshine. They love to drink milk, and once they are full, they totally enjoy the sun. They are sun worshippers. Sunbeam surfing is their most enjoyable thing that they enjoy during winters. They love to bathe in the sun. They stretch out their paws and arch their backs, enjoying the warmth. Sunbeams make the perfect spot for a snooze. They are very, very tidy animals. They love to bathe in the sun, and some cats they stare at the sun directly. They love to lie down on warm surfaces. They are extremely alert. They know where their prey is, and they are always ready to grab one. But when they are sunbathing, they love to take a snooze as and when they finish their bathing. They are animals which are extremely intelligent and love nature. I'm sure you will enjoy all the activities done by this cat. Now let's see how once she finishes her sunbathing, she goes off to snooze.